The EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X is outputting roughly 500 watts right now, powering our lights right here, while we're still working on the installation of the Smart Home Panel 3. So it's looking very good. We're wiring up the circuits right now. This is replacing our sub panel, so it's a very clean installation. So this is our old sub panel. We didn't have a lot of circuits. We had breakers there that are now transferred over to the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3. I love it that it works directly with the square D circuit breaker. So number one, we don't have to buy new breakers because you just use the old ones. And number two, they are standard. So in case we have any problems, we can just go to the hardware store and pick up a new circuit breaker. So it's awesome. And of course, the installation is going really well. You can see now the wood is being covered up with the drywall pieces right there. Then you're gonna put putty over it and paint it. It's gonna look so nice. Very clean installation. We're gonna have the box down here. That is this box over here. And that box is going to be able to connect our EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra, which is actually sitting out here right now. And you can use it like this as intended too, because it has 120 volt AC output right there. It's got 240 volt AC output right there. It's also got another 50 amp 240 or 120 AC output right there. So there's a lot of outputs, 50 amps, 20 amps, 30 amps, and 20 amps right there. And right now we're connecting with two batteries. And I just learned that there's two ways to wire this. You can wire it like this, super neat. This one connects to this battery, and then this battery daisy chain to this battery. And then that'll be perfect. Now, if you have a demand for high output, which is what the Delta Pro Ultra X can do, it's actually preferred to use this connected cable. It's a longer cable, and you're gonna use this battery port to connect to this bottom battery. So instead of daisy chaining, you don't use this piece here. You connect this EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X to one battery, and then you also connect the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X to the other battery. That way, they access the battery in parallel and get more power out of it that way. So anyway, this is right now running 500 watts, powering our lights right here. The installation is going on really well. I think we're gonna be able to wrap this up today. It's looking so nice. I can't wait to see when this door closes and we set up the automation and be able to run our whole home from batteries. It's crazy that the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X with the Smart Home Panel 3 makes it all possible in such a nice seamless installation. And it's actually quite easy to set up if you have professionals that know how to do it, because it's more or less a sub panel installation. The smart stuff really comes just the bottom piece that connects down to this little box over there, and that's it. Other than that, it's a standard, straightforward sub panel installation. So that's what makes it easy, and it was easy to get a price quote on it because it's more or less a standard type of job for a contractor. Anyway, these guys are really good. That's Jack, that's Mike, and they are in the Bay Area. They're super professional, and they are doing a really good job. I love what they're doing. They are making it look so nice, and I feel totally confident in their ability to make this look good because they work on commercial and residential electrical stuff, so they know what they're doing. Anyway, that's the installation so far. Super excited to turn this thing on and run the whole home with the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X.